Recreating Hailey Bieber's makeup for Vogue but for acne-prone skin. Let's go!
This needs a lot of work. I could never just use a clear brow gel. She likes to add a little razzle dazzle. I'm scared. This video should be interesting. Hailey has dry, sensitive skin, therefore she uses a lot of creams and minimal powders. I, on the other hand, I have super oily, acne-prone skin, therefore I use a lot of powders. The complete opposite. Secondly, Hailey likes minimal, natural, effortless makeup, which clearly she can pull off because she's naturally gorgeous and has perfect, flawless, clear skin. This, on the other hand, needs a lot of work. The brow step, I'm scared of because she literally just brushed her brows out with a clear brow gel. Clear brow gel, not tinted. I never use a clear brow gel because this brows needs a lot of work. Basically everything on my face needs a lot of work. The brow step later on should be pretty interesting. This feels so wrong. I love me a brow transformation, and clearly you cannot have a brow transformation with just a clear brow gel. So I've done my skincare off camera. I've done pretty similar step as her. She uses a lot of hydrating and moisturizing products because again, she has dry skin. I'm the opposite of her. Hydrating toner, snail essence, peptide serum under the eyes, and I finish up my skincare with a ceramide moisturizer. Now this one, I won't even bother trying to cover it up because I already know that this one would be a pain in the ass to cover. But what I will do though is to apply a pimple patch.
So she mixes her foundation with her serum, and since I don't have that, I'm going to mix my foundation with this peptide serum that I have, and the serum I'm using is from the brand something. So she just mush it all together on her hands and she just pat and blend the foundation onto her skin, and she also blend it down to her neck. Next is concealer, and she just put it at this exact spot. So she put it on the inner corners, 3 dots on the outer corners, 3 dots on the side of her nose, 3 stripes on the chin, and 3 stripes on the forehead. And of course, don't forget to blend. Then make a line from the corners of your mouth and just pull it back.
Okay, so far so good. Hailey stops here with her concealer step or routine. Well, I need to cover all of this first before moving on to the next step, so yeah, gonna do that real quick.
Next up is contour slash bronzing, I guess, because she honestly did not do any crazy contour, no harsh lines, and she just warmed up the skin and just focuses the product on the perimeters of her face.
Okay, base is looking good, she's giving juicy, healthy skin vibes. Moving on to the next step. For the eyes, she is using REM Beauty, which is Ariana Grande's makeup brand. From all the information I can gather, she's just basically using matte brown liquid shadow. So if you have any liquid matte brown shadow, use that, or just use your cream contour or bronzer. I'll be using my concealer again. I literally use this for everything. As you can see, I'm almost out. So if you have any good recommendation for like a dark concealer, let your girl know.
So just apply whatever product that you decide to use onto your lids and just blend it out with your finger. Next, she goes in with another matte brown taupe shadow and she just run it all over her lids and blends it up to her crease, and she also applies the shadow on her lower lash line.
Then she likes to add a little razzle dazzle, a little sparkle to her eyes, and the shade that she is using look pretty similar to this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Highlighter in Sandcastle. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this, and she just like tap it onto her lids with her finger. Okay, I like it. And she goes back with the brown taupe shadow for her crease. In all honesty, I don't really know what shadow or shade she is really using. I don't know what the shadow looks like in real life because obviously I don't have the same product as her. I'm just going to guess she's using a brown taupe shadow again for her crease because that is the shade that she said she likes to use. So go back with the brown taupe shadow for your crease. Now comes the horrifying part, the brows. She literally just brushed up her brows and applied clear brow gel and call it a day. I'm scared. Again, I could never just use a clear brow gel because I don't really have a full brows like her. Let's just try it out first and see how I like it. Let's just This feels so wrong. Oh my god. That literally did nothing. I mean... You know what? I think it would be okay if I have brow hairs at the end, but I don't. So it looks like my brow's been cut off. Let's just finish the other brow first. You know what? I'm just going to leave it first and wait till the end. I'm just going to trust the process.
Okay, now just curl your lashes and apply mascara, but only on the top. Next up is blush.
So for highlighter, I have this one from Tarte. I think it's quite similar to the Tom Ford one because it's clear, as you can see. And it gives the same finish. It gives like a balmy finish to your skin. So from what I know, the Tom Ford one is also like a cream balmy product as well. So I'm gonna use this one. Brow bone. Okay, she also puts it on the bridge of her nose, but I don't think I can do that. Again, I have oily skin, so gonna skip the bridge.
Next is lip liner. Just use a lip liner that is similar to your natural lip color. Hailey says she likes to overline her lips, but for the top part, she just likes to overline her cupid's bow. Then just top it off with a clear lip gloss.
Like, oh my god, look. Again, I only apply highlighter on the cheekbones. I need powder. She said just apply powder on the areas where you get shiny. Well, for me it's all over my face. Make sure there's no creases. So this is what my skin looks like. It definitely looks like skin. Very Hailey Bieber style. I'm still not sure about the brows. This brow looks better than this one. So I think I'm just going to draw a couple hairs for the end of the brow. And I'm not gonna fill in the brow, just like the tail. I need the tail. So I'm going to use this very precise brow pencil. Normally I use the big one, like this one. So yeah, just a couple of hair strokes. Oh my god, I'm literally shaking. Okay, a little bit more. Oh my god, I'm literally using the lightest pressure ever. Okay, that definitely looks better. Okay, what do I need to do to match this one with this one? The tail? Oh, I think I need to plug this one. I don't know. This one looks like blocky. Concealer brush. Okay, conceal this one. That definitely do the trick. And a little bit right here. I'm literally using the excess product on this brush. Apply a little bit powder first. Okay. Oh my god, do I actually like the look of natural brows? Oh my god, Hailey, you just might change my mind. I should be doing natural brows more often. Okay, what do we think? Do I do a good job? You know what, this video is actually fun to film. I might be doing more of this type of video. Okay, final thoughts coming from a girl who likes a full beat. I love this makeup. I'm obsessed. Like, oh my god, my skin looks healthy. If I have to tweak this routine just a little bit, I might just apply more powder just so the makeup would last a little bit longer. Especially here in Indonesia, Jakarta, you still have to wear a mask. If I don't apply more powder, this makeup would literally come straight off. I love the brows. You literally changed my mind about the brows. Oh my god. So here's how I used to do my brows. One more thing, I might just add a little bit of nose contour though. Maybe just a little bit. Literally just that, just light nose contour. I'm done. Oh my god, I'm in love with this look. If you want more video like this, definitely let me know. I have so much fun filming this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.